Hello, it's Peter here. We've just had some external work done on our home by Prestige Home Transformations. The job from start to finish has gone really well, from the colour selection initially through the work that was done by the guys, which in fairness was done under poor weather conditions. It was extremely hot when they were trying to do the work on the roof, and there was pretty poor weather when they were doing the external painting.
What do you think, Sue?
Hey.
Good? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
You!
Yes. Oh, it's fantastic.
In the end, the result has been quite outstanding. Our home has been absolutely transformed. I didn't expect it to. I expected it to look really good, but I will say it looks really fantastic. So thanks to Prestige Home Transformations.